So this is the symbol of a telephone receiver, and in this video we're going to show you how to create this symbol in your computer using keyboard shortcut. For this you must open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and after that you can try this method. That is, go to your computer keyboard. So in your keyboard, this is the number lock key. You must press this number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you must keep your one of your finger in this alt key, the alt key in the left side of your space bar. There you can see alt key. You must press and hold this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key, and at the same time you must type in this numeric area here. You must type 128222. After that you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, you can see that the symbol have been arrived in your computer keyboard. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and Engineers Online. Thank you.